Welcome to another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. Today we're doing some upholstery, and you can see we're using a mitt to apply the foam. And then check this out. For those of you that watched my videos previously, I was trying to use aerosol cans of carpet foam, and in the winter the propellant, you have to really heat the cans up or you just don't get the foam. So I talked to Damon at the Encapstore, and he said, yeah, awesome Encap should work fine. And that's what I'm using. I put about 1.5 ounces in my IK sprayer. There's the awesome Encap. And so just fill it up with warm water and then put about 1.5 ounces in there, shake it up, pump it up. Creates plenty of foam. I got my Harbor Freight polisher. That is, and don't forget the Magic Bullet spotter. We removed already a bunch of ink. Watch this foam. I'm so excited that I don't have to use the aerosol cans anymore. I've tried Green Dragon, which didn't really foam up, but then after thinking about it and asking Damon, I said, hey, you think the simple end cap or the awesome end cap? And he said, yeah, he said they'll probably both work fine, but give the awesome end cap a try. It'll probably foam up better. And you can see it's polishing up all of the fibers, getting it looking good. Again, we take the mitt, we apply the foam evenly, and we do use the mitt to scrub around the sides and edges and remove the first layer of dirt. And then I pre-wet these polar pads, wring them out. It's just a white microfiber 8-inch polar pad. And then I go over it at the second setting on this, which is 1500 RPM. This Harbor Freight tool, it's $59.99 at Harbor Freight. But it's not the 1 through 6 setting. It's 1,000 RPMs through 3,500 RPMs. So if you set it on 10, that'll be 1,000, 15's 1,500. And it's a digital readout, well worth the money. And you could see we also have some additional furniture to clean. I got everything set up. There is the finished product there. That was a synthetic fiber, like a polypropylene. These are microfiber. Of course, they got to dry. If you're familiar with microfiber, you can see all the textures. We got to comb it out. Looking good. And I want to thank you for watching another short episode. Also want to shout out Encapstore for the awesome Encap product. If you're interested in using the same products as me, look in the description and find the link.